This 3D logo was actually designed using AI, and guess what? It is absolutely free, no skill needed, and you're about to learn this all for free. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Big John Up. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a stunning 3D logo, just like the one you see at the beginning of this video. And guess what? It is absolutely free, no skill needed. All you need to know is to know how to write a well-structured prompt. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a well-structured prompt to create any kind of stunning 3D logo using AI, and also how to write a well-structured prompt to create any kind of stunning design. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, all you need to do is to head over to your Nano Banana. We are going to be making use of Nano Banana and ChatGPT. ChatGPT to generate our prompt and also to create a logo, and then Nano Banana to create the logo, and then we compare the one that generate the best result. But first, I have the prompt here, right? Let's head over to Nano Banana, generate our logo, and then I'll teach you how I was able to get the prompt. We are going to be accessing Nano Banana using our Gemini AI, all right? So locate your Gemini AI. As you can see, look at it. You can install it from Google Play Store, and you can also access Nano Banana using Google AI Studio and El Marina. All right, go ahead and click Gemini. So first, we are going to first generate our logo. You don't need to worry about the prompt. I'm going to be teaching you how I was able to get this prompt. There are two ways in which you can get your prompt. Number one is by writing in detail how you want the prompt, how you want the logo to look like. Okay, you can just how you imagine it. It's about imagination. Like now, if I picture the logo in my head, I can describe everything in detail to ChatGPT, and then tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize my prompt for me. And also I can use image reference. You don't need to worry. I'm going to be doing everything in detail. I'm going to be doing everything step by step, so pay very close attention. Let's quickly generate a particular logo, the first logo, and then I'll teach you how to structure your prompt, how to get the prompt. We are going to be using the easiest method because a lot of people find it difficult to, imagine how the prompt is going to look like, to write it to ChatGPT before ChatGPT is going to help you to optimize it. So we are going to be going with the second easiest method. So first of all, let's go ahead and paste this prompt that I have. See how the logo is going to look like. All right. So now what we need to do is to go ahead and paste this prompt. All right. Go ahead and paste the prompt. Make sure your Nano Banana is turned on. Make sure you are using the latest version of Google Gemini. All right. That is Nano Banana. If you look up, we are going to see 2.5 flash. Yes, that is Nano Banana. Make sure it's on it, and also make sure you turn on this if you look very well behind this image, you are going to see a banana icon. Make sure you click it. Okay, as you can see, describe your image. This is when you want to do, when you are dealing with image. Yes, when you are dealing with image logo, make sure that this thing is clicked. All right, so that is Nano Banana for you. Go ahead and paste the prompt. Okay, and then go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see the results from Nano Banana, and then we compare it, which one is going to give us the best result. Let's watch and see. Okay, guys, this is cool. Like, this is perfect. Like, it's just too real. Look at that. Look at the design. Look at the 3D design. Guys, this is cool. This is nice. I love it. Okay, this is cool. Like, imagine you want to give this work to a graphic design to create this logo for you. Do you know how much you are going to pay? You are going to pay a whole lot, and here we are doing it for free. All you need is just to get the prompt, and I'll teach you how to get the prompt very fast. And also you can actually go ahead and edit it on this platform. You can go ahead and edit it using Nano Banana. Nano Banana is very specific about image, about generating image logo. Whatever you want to change here, you can tell Nano Banana, oh, I don't want this, and then boom, Nano Banana will help you to change it. If I want Nano Banana to remove anything here, Nano Banana is going to help me to remove it. All you need is to just click here, and then you see about describe your image. Go ahead and describe any changes that you want to make, or add any changes that you want to add. All right. And one good thing is that, look at this prompt. You see this prompt is actually a template. If you copy this prompt, head over to any image generating application like Midjourney, ChatGPT, Dell. Yes, it might not be 100% the same, but at least you are going to get a very good result. All right. Okay, now fine. You know what, let's try this particular prompt on ChatGPT and see if ChatGPT is going to disappoint us or not. Let's compare the two, Nano Banana or ChatGPT. All right. So let's head over to ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go ahead and then paste this prompt and see what we are going to get. All right. All right. And then go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see the magic from ChatGPT. Okay. Guys, this is nice. This is very, very okay. Look at the logo, right? This is cool. This is nice. This logo is phenomenal. Okay, look at that. So now let's try the second example before I show you how to get the prompts. Come back to your Gemini AI. Right, so make sure your banana icon is turned on. So let's go ahead and paste the second prompt. All right, so we just have to go ahead and paste the second prompt and see the results. So I have the prompt here. Go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see the second example if we are going to get a perfect result just like the first example. All right, let's watch and see. Okay, guys, look at that. Wow, this is cool. This is nice, guys. Look at this. Okay, this is not bad at all. Wow, so we got a very nice result. Look at it. This is what we want and we got it, right? Look at the color, look at the 3D. Like, guys, this is just handsome for those that are into jewelry. Do you understand? And this prompt is actually a template. If you get this prompt from here, head over to any image generating application or software, you are going to get a perfect result. Okay, just like the way we did the first one. Okay, so now let's try these prompts on ChatGPT. If you are going to get a very good result just like this, and then I'll teach you how to easily get the prompts. Like I promised, I'm going to be showing you how to easily get the prompts, right? So let's copy this prompt, head over to ChatGPT and see what we are going to get. If ChatGPT is going to disappoint us or no. Okay, we just have to go ahead and paste our prompt, right? Hit OK. Wow, guys, look at that. Okay, look at the result we got from ChatGPT. Let's open the design and see. Guys, this is not bad at all. It is not bad. The design wasn't cut. Now look at this. Guys, this is cool. This is nice. Like, this is perfect. Okay, this is perfect. The design is actually very, very okay. So now for you to know how to structure the prompt, let me say you want to create this particular design that we created, right? You want to create it. How do you do it? Number one method that you can use is by writing a well-structured prompt to create your design. That is, for example, now I want to create this type of logo. All I need to do is to write everything in detail. I can just describe what I want in detail to ChatGPT. I can say, oh, I want to design so thing. How you picture it in your head, just your imagination. It's just about your imagination. Just picture a particular idea and then type it to ChatGPT. Then when you type everything, describe it in detail to ChatGPT. Then tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize the prompt for you. So with that, ChatGPT is going to act as a prompt engineer and optimize the prompt. ChatGPT will rewrite your own description of what you want. ChatGPT is going to write it in a well-structured way, in a form of prompt, very, very okay. And then you can just copy that one, head over to any platform that you want to create your logo, and then go ahead and create your logo. It is just the same way, like you want a particular word, you want to get a prompt, and then you meet a particular prompt engineering guy, and then you tell the guy, oh, I want to generate a prompt to create a logo. Please help me to do it. You have to explain everything to the guy. Oh, this is how I want it to be. The guy will now say, okay, as the guy know his work, the explanation that you gave the guy will use it to create a prompt for you, and the guy will give you the prompt. If you carry that prompt, head over to ChatGPT, Nano Banana, or any image generating application or software and paste it. You are going to get the result. So now see ChatGPT as the prompt guy. Okay, see ChatGPT as the prompt guy to get your result done successfully. So that is why I always say you must not be a prompt engineer before you generate or create any kind of logo or design using AI or even video. That is how I used to do it. All right. And the easiest, the other simplest way, that if you don't want to, if you don't want to create it yourself, if you don't have the imagination, if you don't want to type it, you can just upload, sort for a particular logo that you want to create. Maybe like a template, right? Let me say a template or example, any design that you want to create or any logo that you want to create. Someone must have created it. All you need is to get inspired. Search online. You can search Pinterest, Canva, and also on Google, right? Then you just copy it, and then just like an idea, just use it as a template. Just use it like your template. Upload it to ChatGPT. Then tell ChatGPT to extract that prompt that you can use to generate such design from any platform. Let me walk you through that one so that you see. Let me say this particular design, I want to create exactly something like this. Now I've downloaded this design, right? I've downloaded this logo. All I need to do is to upload the logo. Let me say I want to design exactly this type of logo. I just have to upload it. This is the logo. I'll upload it and then see what I'm going to tell ChatGPT. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to extract. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to study or tell ChatGPT to study this 3D. Make sure you describe it very well. This 3D logo design. This 3D logo design using either from the platform that you want to use to generate it, either from ChatGPT, or if you want to use Nano Banana or anyone, using ChatGPT. Let me say I want to use ChatGPT using Chat. Okay, you see that? So now I say study this 3D logo. Study this 3D logo design and extract a prompt to generate exact 3D logo using ChatGPT and Nano Banana. So with it, if I hit OK, ChatGPT is going to extract the exact prompt that I used to generate this particular design. All right, ChatGPT is going to extract the prompt, and then I can edit it to fit what I want. I can remove anything. Either I want to change the color, add anything that I want to add there. All right, so now let's go ahead and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, here's a clean extracted prompt you can use with ChatGPT plus Nano Banana to recreate the exact 3D logo design uploaded. All right, you see, so now if I copy this particular prompt that ChatGPT gave me, head over to Nano Banana or ChatGPT or any other image generating application like Midjourney, Dell, Flux, I'm going to get exact design. That is just the truth. So this is the easiest way, the easiest method that you can use to, generate any kind of design, any kind of stunning design using AI, right? So I believe you find this video helpful. This is cool. This is nice. So this is how I was able to, generate this particular prompt. This is how I generated it. I just sought for a particular 3D logo out there from online, and then I bring it to ChatGPT, and then I extracted the prompt, and then I edited it to fit what I want, and then I generated. And the first one, I also sometimes I also write in detail what I want to generate, maybe a design or logo. I write it down to ChatGPT that, oh, I want to create also design. I want the design to be like the background to be white. I want the design to, I want a female there. I want also number there. And then after I write everything that I know concerning the design or the logo, and then I'll tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize that prompt for me to get a better result. So with that, ChatGPT is going to act as a prompt engineer and optimize the prompt for you to get a better result. So this is basically how to create stunning 3D logo using AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And big John up as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.